See that inflow tail over there? See it flowing into it? It's outflow dominant here, but it's feeding into it over there. Big time severe storm here, lots of green. Southern Manitoba. I got chase and spin back here. Big time storm here. About to get blasted.
This bit, but that bit isn't. Oh look, over there. Staying fast too. Jeez, look at that.
I'm here in southern Manitoba, just south of Crystal City, Manitoba, where there's currently a tornado-warned supercell just south of the border here in the United States, and it's slowly working its way up towards our area here in Canada. And we're going to stay just north of the border, I think, and let the storm come to us so that we can get multiple intercepts here as it works its way into Canada, starts moving to the east. And we don't want to go across the border because it might get just one intercept down there and then get stuck down there. You see this thing's quite rumbly here. We got rain starting to fall, and it's really taking its time here, but it's quite a beautiful storm here over these beautiful Manitoba fields here that have been harvested. Beautiful scenes out here in September, rare September Manitoba tree here. Chasing from my radar, this is Storm Chaser Aaron Jayjack.